Friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this beautiful bird painting with alcohol ink and alcohol ink markers. And these are some safety tips on alcohol ink art. Make sure to pause the video and read it completely. And for the paper, I use this ultra premium gloss photo paper from Staples. And I use the back side of the paper to make the drawing, not the shiny side. And this is what I blend with 91% isopropyl alcohol. And I put it in a small bottle. And first I'll draw an outline of a bird. You can get different images from Google and just pick one to draw a quick outline of a hummingbird. I use fine liner markers for this drawing. A piece of wax paper and on which I add some colors. The colors that I'm using for this painting are botanical green, different colors I'll tell you, botanical green, then forest green, then let me think. I think I'll go with pitch black. This is pitch black. And I use this blue violet color. It's almost like purple. And I use a bit of wax paper. I roll it into a shape and then use that to apply the colors. The thing that you see on my hand is the piece of wax paper that is rolled. So it's easier to dip the color and add on to the paper instead of directly pouring it onto the drawing paper. So just add tiny bits of paint. And if you want to dilute, you can use the blending solution 91% isopropyl alcohol. And you can first dilute it, then apply if it is too dark. And you can make this bird in any color that you want. I just pick these random colors. And I also using some teal color, and later on I'll be using some magenta. And I sometimes mix and match different colors also. And I'm diluting. using this can of air that I got from hardware store. Basically, if you press it, it will blow air. That's what I'm using for this painting. So before you pump the air, we have to add the isopropyl alcohol. So add gently isopropyl alcohol and then we will blow it later on. So add tiny bit of isopropyl alcohol and then blow the air. And make sure each layer is little dry before you add the next layer. Otherwise it becomes all a mess. So I'm, as you can see, I'm blowing in different areas. And then after these areas are dry, then I will add another layer of paint and again blow it. So the drying is very important in order to not make any mess. So first layer was dry, so I'm adding second layer of paint and blowing it again. Same with the other wings also. Make sure to dry each layer and then